Hi everybody, welcome to lesson 4 of our narrative unit. You should be watching this on the 17th of April. So our learning objective today says, can I write a description? Now I've written a small description down here of, you guessed it, the bad-tempered ladybird. Let's have a read, shall we? The bad-tempered ladybird is a tiny creature who can be unkind to others. Although he is little, he picks on other animals. We don't know why he is being nasty. Perhaps someone was mean to him because he is so rude. Okay, you might like to pause the video now and have a read of that one yourself, or ask an adult to help you. So now you've read the description, we're going to be having a look for some synonyms. So remember, that means words that mean the same thing. For example, the words big and enormous are synonyms because they mean the same thing. So if I scroll down, we're going to be looking in this text for words that mean the same as the word small and words that are synonyms for the word mean. So let's have a look. Oh, let's move the table up. So first, let's start finding some synonyms for the word small. Now, if we go through the text, I'm just going to grab my highlighter. Go through the text, we can have a look. If you stop when you get to any words that mean small. The bad-tempered ladybird is a tiny, there's one, so you could add that to your column under here, tiny creature who can be unkind to others. Although he is little, there's another one, add it to your column, he picks on other animals. We don't know why he is being nasty. Perhaps someone was mean to him because he is so rude. Excellent. So just 2 in that text, everybody. If you'd like to create a table for yourself on a piece of paper, then you can add those 2 words in under the word small. Okay, let me change my colour. So now we're going to be having a look for words that mean the same as the word mean. So mean in this context might mean like nasty or unkind. Let's have a look. The bad-tempered. Bad-tempered. That can often be a synonym for the word mean, can't it? The bad-tempered ladybird is a tiny creature who can be unkind to others. Well done, everybody. Although he is little, he picks on other animals. We don't know why he is being nasty. There we go. Perhaps someone was mean to him. Mean, that's the same word there, so it's not a synonym. Perhaps someone was mean to him because he is so rude. There we go. If you're mean, perhaps you're being rude as well. So that's a synonym just there. Wow! So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 synonyms for the word mean just there. You can add those there in that column. Fantastic, everybody. And these adjectives are really going to help us later on in the lesson. Okay, so I've got here a description that I've written of the bad-tempered ladybird. Let's have a look. Okay. So it says here, the bad-tempered ladybird is sad. He is small. He is red. What do you think of my description? Do you think that's a really good way of describing the bad-tempered ladybird? Let's have a read again. The bad-tempered ladybird is sad. He is small. He is red. Now, I would say that my description is correct, that the bad-tempered ladybird is all of those things, but it's not a particularly good description. I think we might need to have a look at some success criteria to see how to make my description even better, because that's not great. Let's have a look. All right, so number 1, it says, make exciting vocabulary choices. So the words that I've used here, like sad, small, red, Yes, they're accurate, they're true, but they're not particularly exciting, especially after we did all that work on synonyms earlier. So I think you can do much better than that, children, with your choice of vocab today. Number 2 says, use adjectives to describe the character. So make sure you're not just talking about the bad-tempered ladybird, make sure you're describing it. And thirdly, use and to further your descriptions. Now, if I look carefully, I can't see the word and anywhere in my description, which means my sentences are quite short, and it means that they're lacking some depth. They need some more information in them, okay? So you'll be pleased to know I had another go at this description, and we'll see if I've included any of my success criteria. So it says here, the bad-tempered ladybird is tiny and speedy. Wow, fantastic. So I've got the word and there to add some detail. I use tiny, which is a better word choice, and the word speedy, because I was thinking about the bad-tempered ladybird, and when I've seen ladybirds outside, if I try to pick one up on my hand, sometimes I have to move my hand really quickly because the ladybird, it crawls all over it. It's very speedy and moves quickly over my hand. So I've chosen that word there, speedy. Now, I've included a couple of other sentence starters for you here, so you might want to pause the video while you read them. Okay, so this one says, he does not like, and then I've left some space for you to fill that in, because, and I've left some space for you to give a reason. He is, blah, 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 and blah, 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 something else, okay? So you can always rewind the video and have a look at our synonyms from earlier to describe the bad-tempered ladybird, or think of your own. That'd be wonderful. Well done, everybody. I'm really looking forward to reading your descriptions of the bad-tempered ladybird today. Remember to have a look at our success criteria so you know what to include in your writing. And if you feel that you've done your 3 sentences and you're happy with them, that's fine. But if you'd like to continue writing, then please go on and do that. An extension task today, if you're feeling really keen, you might like to try and describe a different character from the story, like perhaps the hyena, or perhaps the good-tempered ladybird, or the kind ladybird. That would be great, wouldn't it? Okay, everybody, I'm so looking forward to seeing your work, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye-bye.